Right. Here we are going to write the code and we will see the practically how the Java is going to work here along with the first Java code. Okay. So here many of the points I may skip as of now, but for the later tutorials, I'll be upgrading those and all. So what are we waiting for? Let's start our show, right? Before starting, I need to tell one thing. So go through these complete video tutorials and all and save this playlist. Okay. So that you will not miss any tutorial here. Okay. So in the previous video, if you observe here, I have written how Java works. Okay, theoretically we have discussed there. Here we are going to see the practical code. Whatever we did, so just let me revise a bit here. First, we need a text editor. We'll write the code and save the code with .java extension to compile the code. So once compilation is done, we will run the code. So we will follow this and we'll write the code. So here the text editor can be anything. So as of now, I'll use the notepad or we can use AD+. So we'll write the code. We'll save the code with .java extension. Later we'll compile the code and we will run the code here. Okay. What is the code here we are going to write? Correct. So as of now, I'll write a basic code. Maybe in that I can't explain everything in current video because for understanding that you need some more concepts to understand. So as of now for this video, I skip that part, but definitely along with this journey, we will cover everything. Okay. So let us follow these steps here. So let me open notepad here first. So we are having the notepad here. So we will start writing the code. So first step, open the text editor. Completed. So next, write the code. Okay. So here we are going to tell it is a structure of a Java program. So what is that structure? I will be writing a class with A and I will be writing public static void main and then string args. Okay, and here I will be writing system.out.println of hello world. As of now, just by heart this. So later I will tell everything. What is this public class and here static, what is system. I will tell you in future videos what is this dot also, what is this semicolon, everything we are going to discuss in the future videos. Okay. So in this video just we are going to see how the code is works practically. Theoretically we have seen in this playlist. So we will be seeing here practically. Okay. So what is this line stands for? As of now, you need to learn this. So this line is nothing but use it to print the data. So if you want to print anything, so here I need to print hello world. So that is why what I'm doing system dot out dot println I'm giving and I am printing the hello world here. Okay. So what is the next step here? So we have written the code and save the code with .java extension here. So I need to save this code. What I will give here Macha.java. So what it is telling here, save the code with .java extension. So that is why I am giving like Macha.java. Is it mandatory? As of now, it is mandatory. So why we have to give Macha.java itself? We will learn in the future videos. So as of now, just we are seeing the flow. So save it. So I have saved it as a .java file. What is the next step? Compile the code. So how we can compile the code here? It is very important. So you can compile the code by using a command called javac and then whatever file name we have given .java. Using this command, we are going to compile the code. If we need to run the code, we are going to give something called 1 second. Let me just take the color. Yeah, we are going to give Java and class name we are going to give. What is this class name? Macha. What is this file name? Macha.java. So we will not be having confusion. Okay. So how many files are there? Java source file. One source file only is there. Okay. So now what I will do? Java C Macha dot Java. So Java C file name is Macha dot Java I be giving. So what will happen now? I already told you in the previous video. What will happen? We can't directly run. So we are just compiling. So compilation, what it will do? It will check the syntaxes. So that is everything like open braces and close braces, parentheses, everything was perfect. It will check. So perfectly we have given, and these letters and all should be smaller only. Whatever I kept bigger, so that and all it should be larger excess. So compile. So once the compilation is done, I told you right, a bytecode will be generated. See, this is the bytecode. That is a dot class file will be generated. So if you are not getting what I am trying to say, so you can just go check out this how Java works video first completely. What is this dot class file contain? Bytecode. Bytecode can't be understood by anyone. See, are we understanding anything? Something is written and you are not allowed to modify here anything. Something matcha, string and all we are understanding. But entire thing we can't able to understand. Even system can't understand. Correct? So once the compilation done, so what is the next step here? Run the code. Java Macha. So compiler created a dot class file, and this dot class file we are going to give it to JVM. How? By using this command Java, and the class name is nothing but Macha only, right? So I have given the Macha. So press enter. You can see here hello world has been printed, right? You can not only hello world, you can print whatever you want. So I am just modifying the code here. I need to print one more data. So to print one more data, what you will do? Inside this main method, so we will tell this as a main method. So I need to print one more data means what I will do? Here I'll give system dot out dot println of. Here I'll give it as a, so welcome to Java Macha. I'll be giving like this. So now we have modified the code, right? Save the code. So once you modified the code, again you need to follow the same steps here. What are the steps? So write the code. I have written the code. I have saved the code. Same thing, .java extension. So you need to compile and run. If you do any modification, again you need to do compilation, because here already this dot class file is generated by compiler with previous file. That is only hello world is there. If you see here, if I run the code again, so this is the command Java and then class name. Hello world only we are getting, because this dot class contains only the hello world. We have updated the source file, right? That is Java file, and that need to be updated in the class file also. So that is why once if you saved, you need to compile it again. So if we compile it again, one more dot class file will be generated. No, the same dot class file is there, right? It will be updated. Okay, so let me compile it. See, there is no errors and all. So compilation done. So it means this matcha dot class has been updated now. Already is there, it will update. If it is not there, it will create. So let me run that Java and then the class name. So press enter. If you see, we are getting the welcome to hello world. So that is welcome to Java also we are getting. What if I did a mistake? I can miss the semicolon here. Let me say. So if I run this, what will be the output? We will get an error or not? Comment below. Right. I hope you commented. So we are not going to get any error. Why? Because if you said we are not going to get error, you're absolutely right. Why we are not going to get error? Because we modified the .java file. Here we have given only one error to check it. But the dot class file is not updated, right? The same file only is there. So when I run, I will get hello world, welcome to Java Macha. So first I need to compile. So updated file I am trying to check. Now if you try to compile, so we will get an error. Once we get an error, the Macha.class will not be updated. See here, it is telling in the line number 6, we are expecting something called semicolon. See, this is the flexibility with Java. If you got any error now, clearly it is going to display everything. Okay, so it is telling that, hey, please put the semicolon here. So I'll just go to this, put the semicolon, save it, and come back again. So compile the code. Yeah, my .class file has been updated. So I can give Java Macha. What if I delete it? I'm deleting this. Is it possible to run this? No, because we don't have the class Macha. .class file itself, it is not there. How can we run? So if we need to run, what we will do? We are going to first compile. Compiler will create a .class file. Then we can run the .class file. This is the process. We got it right. So again, I am creating one error. And let me test it. So I am trying to compile it. So when I am trying to compile, I am getting an error. When I am getting an error, does the class file is generating? No. Why? Because if there is no errors, then only it will create the .class file. And that .class file we can run here. So at the starting time itself, we need to solve the errors here. So semicolon we need to put. Let me save this and compile it. Now if you observe here, yeah, .class file has been generated. So now Java Macha. So it is working now here perfectly. Alright. So I will give you a task here. So you need to print your name, age and data. Okay, just give in the double quotes whatever your name is there. So that you can give whatever your age is there. You can give your place like location, address, something. You try to print more lines. At least 5 to 6 data you need to print. Okay, we will discuss one by one in the future videos like public, what is class, what is static, void, why we are using this curly braces, why we are using this dot, each and everything, pin to pin, everything we are going to discuss. And is it mandatory to give Macha? You can give any name. Okay, but as of now, whatever name you are giving, save with the same name. Why I am telling, you can understand in the future videos, because if I started teaching that now itself, it will take more duration for this video. So that is why. So I'll stop here. Okay, practice more and follow the playlist. If you got any doubts, you can comment below. So I will definitely reply for it. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.